Jai Hind everyone, this is Pragati Pandey with a new part of this chapter, whole number. Okay, so now we are going to start another exercise of this chapter. We have already completed up to exercise 2.3. So now we will go through exercise 2.4, and before going through exercise 2.4 we will discuss the numbers, that is even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, so first of all, what is even numbers? So you have to be aware of that the number which are divisible by 2, that means those number which can be divided by 2 are even numbers. Here that number should be divided totally, that means there should be no remainder at all. Those numbers are even numbers, and the numbers which are not divided totally by 2 are odd numbers. Okay, if any number is divided by 2 and it leaves remainder in the last, that number does not be considered as even number. Okay, so those number which are divided by 2 are even number, and those number which are not divided by 2, they are odd number. Okay, now we will move to our exercise 2.4. Okay, so the first question of this exercise is, write the successor and predecessor of. You know that successor means addition of 1, that means 79. It is asking for 79, so 1 will add it to 79, it will give 80. So the successor of 79 will be 80, and the predecessor of 79 will be 78, that means minus 1. So you can do the other parts of this question. Now moving to the next question, write the next three natural number after 10,999. Here you can see that it is asking three numbers after 10,999. So you can easily say that adding 1 to this number, then after adding 2, then after adding 3, you can easily say, you can add 1 to this, you will get 11,000, then after 11,001, then after 11,002. These three numbers will be the next three natural numbers. Now moving to the next question, which of the following will not represent 0? Okay, so here is our question number 3. First option is 2 plus 0. You know that 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. So it will not represent 0, because the answer will not be 0, the answer will be 2. So this will not represent. Now second one is 0 multiplies 0, it will be 0, so it will represent. Now third option is 0 by 2, it will also be 0. Now fourth is 2 by 0, you will divide 2 by 0, you will get the value will be infinite. Okay, 0 ones are 0, 0 twos are 0, so the value will be infinite. Now fifth one is 5 minus 5. You know that 5 minus 5 will be 0, and 0 by 2, as same this question, the value will be 0 itself. Now question number 4. If the product of two whole number is 0, can we say that one or both of them will be 0? Yes. Now we will see this question. So in the fourth question, it is saying that product of two whole number is 0, so the one or the two numbers will be 0. Justify by example. You know that whole numbers. What are whole numbers? From 0 to infinite. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to infinite. You know that all these numbers are whole numbers. So suppose 5 is taken and we multiply this by 0, so we will get the result 0. And if the number 0 is 0, when multiplied by 0, then it will give 0. And after 0, if we does not take this 0, if we take 1, 2, 3, 4, and we multiply to other 1, 2, 3, 4, it will never give 0. So for getting the result as 0, either 1 or 2 number should be 0. Okay, so you can say that the number which should be multiplied, those whole numbers should be 0 or one of the number will be 0. Okay, now question number 5, divide and find the quotient and remainder. This is your assignment work. You have to divide the numbers and find the quotient and remainder. Okay, now question number 6, find a whole number a such that a divides a is equal to a. Okay, here find a whole number in which a number, that number is, when condition is follows, a divided by a is equal to a. So you can easily say that 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. Okay, 1 when divided by 1, it will give the quotient as 1. So our answer will be 1 itself. Okay, now question number 7, the product of two number is 73,212. If one number is 6,101, find the other. So what you will do, you will just divide this number 73212 by 6,101. This is your assignment work. Ask your doubts. I will explain each and every question, whatever your doubts will be. Okay, now moving to the next question, 8. What least number must be subtracted from 13,601 to get a number exactly divisible by 87? In this question, you have to divide 13,601 by 87 and the remainder value will be the answer. Okay, so let's see the question 8. So first of all, we will divide 13,601 by 87. Okay, in 1 times it will go 87. Now we have 490. In 5 times it will give 435. We have 551. Now in 6 times it will go 522 and the remainder value will be 29. So if we subtract 29 from 13,601, we get 13,572 and this will divided totally by 87. So our answer will be 29. Okay, now moving to the next question. Our next question is, the population of a city was 1,20,521 in 1 year. It increased by 3,021 due to new birth and 8,732 person died during the year. Okay, so basically the population of a city was 1,20,521 and 3,021 people's new child have been inserted into the population. That means they have taken birth. Okay, now 8,732 person died. Yes, in that 8,732 person have died. What was the population at the end of the year? Okay, so in the initial time the population was this, that is 1,20,521. so increase by 3,021. You will add these two values. Then after it is saying that 8,732 people died. So you will add these two values. Then after you will subtract this value. Okay, what was the population in the end of the year? So you will get the resultant value will be the population in the end of the year. Now moving to the next question. The product of two whole number is 0. What do you conclude? In the question number 4 we have already discussed this. So you can say that if one or the second number will be the 0. means one of the number should be 0, that's why the answer will be 0. Okay, so we have completed our exercise 2.4. now we will discuss next exercise in next video. This exercise is your assignment. Solve this exercise in your assignment copy. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you class. Pause the video, take the screenshot. You can see each and every question is present here. Okay, thank you.